You're going to your doctor's appointments or your physical therapy appointments, and the last time you went to physical therapy, man, they hurt you. And so you don't show up for your physical therapy appointment. Or you call them and say, look, I'm not coming in today, it just hurt too much the other day. And so they mark that down, and maybe you do that a couple more times. Is that okay to do? I'm Joe Miller, workers' compensation attorney in both Virginia and North Carolina. And I'm here to tell you today, that's what I want to talk about, go to all your doctor's appointments and your physical therapy appointments. Why is that? Particularly in Virginia, okay? Here's what I want to tell you. If you're under an award, the insurance company and the employer only have a few ways that they can get you out from under that award. One way is to get you a job paying the same or more than you were making before, or just bring you back to work. But another way that they can do it is to say, based on the evidence, that you are not complying with the medical treatment plan. In Virginia, all that has to be done by the insurance company and their attorneys is to file a piece of paper called an application to terminate benefits, and bam, that day, your benefits are cut off. All they need is something from the physical therapy folks that says this person was supposed to show up on these dates. They did not show up, and you're done. Yes, maybe at some point if we can show that you've gotten back on track down the line, we might be able to get your benefits back, but you're talking months until you get to a hearing. And in the meantime, all those checks you're getting every week, they are gone. Virginia does it backwards. It stops your benefits right then, which I think is terrible, but that's the law. North Carolina, they do have to get you to a hearing first to prove that. So it's a little harder for them to do in North Carolina. But be that as it may, there's still never an excuse to miss your appointments. Now, you say, well, Mr. Miller, what do I do if I'm hurting? What you do is you find a way to get to that appointment, and you show up limping, whatever it is that you're doing, and you tell them, look, I don't know if you can notice, but I can hardly walk today. You guys really hurt me the other day. Let them see you in there. Let them see that you showed up. Say, oh, Mr. Injured Worker, don't worry about it today. We'll mark it down that you showed up and that you were here, and you go on home. You don't have to do it today. Or they may sit you down and say, why don't you sit here? Let's put some ice on you. Let's put some heat on you. Let's try to make you feel better. So you did a good thing, two reasons, by going to the physical therapist that day, even though you were hurting. Number one, you complied with the treatment plan, so you don't have to worry about them cutting you off. Number two is you showed up, and maybe they can do something for you while you're there. I cannot emphasize to you enough that you must, stay on track with your appointments. When your attorney or the nurse case manager tells you about an appointment, please make sure that you get it on your calendar and that you show up. They're always looking for ways to cut you off because it's in their interest. The workers' compensation insurance company would like nothing more than to be able to stop your checks. Okay, so don't give them an excuse. Go to your doctor's appointments, go to your physical therapy appointments, make it easy on yourself. Even if it's hard to do, just at least show up and let them know what's going on so they can tell you to either go home or they can do something for you there, whatever the case may be. I hope this information has been helpful for you. Again, Joe Miller, workers' compensation attorney. Thank you for watching.